What's going on, YouTube? I know y'all ain't got all the time in the world, but I'm gonna give y'all another quick tutorial on how to do a low taper. It was a long quarantine for the kid right here, but we gonna fix him up. Let's get started. Right here, I'm going in with my lever all the way closed on my 0-gap wall clippers, and I'm gonna set this guideline in to line up with where the ear meets the head, or where the ear connects to the head. Now I got the clipper all the way open, and I'm going up about a ½ an inch higher than that first guideline. As you notice, I'm only using the corner of the blade because this is such a small area, so you're only going to be able to get those corners in there to set in this guideline. Gotta work them corners, man. You gotta get right with them corners, man. Only work the corners, man. That's all you need to do is work the corner, man. Now I'm closing the lever up halfway to create that transition in between the two guidelines. And I'm using the corner of my blade going at any dark areas, getting that blend to start showing. As you can see, the blend is already there. Now I'm going in with my 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going in to debolt. And what I mean by debolt is getting rid of any of the hair that's not necessary. And also, I want you guys to be careful not to go too high when you're doing this debulking process, and make sure you flicking out as you get higher up in the fade. Make sure you're stopping every now and then to comb the hair out and see your progress, and see how much more work you have to do. Okay, now I got the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, and at this point I'm fading down. I'm not going as high up as I did with the lever open. Still working my way down. Now I got the number 1 guard on with the lever open, coming right underneath that 1.5 guard closed. Now I got the lever all the way closed up on my number 1 guard, continuing to work my way down and get that fade to blend into the taper. I still felt like the top of his hair was too dark, so I'm taking the number 1 guard with the lever open, and I'm going with the grain, getting that hair to lay down the way I want it to. This is called detail work, man. This is what separates a good barber from a great one. Now I got that 1.5 guard back on with the lever closed, and I'm going back over the top portion of the taper to get it to lay down smoothly. This is my last step. Hopefully y'all learned a lot from watching this tutorial. Y'all stay blessed. MikeWillBlendIt, I'm out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do all that, man. Help my channel out, man. Help me grow, man. Help me get right.